Alright, without really knowing what this business is and just looking at this symbol, what do you make of that? White cross, red snake, green background, and over a shield? Is that medical? I just want to get a close-up of that. Can I read that? I'm a Gina. I'm a Gina. I love that name. I love that word. Alright, going to the library from the Walmart. It's 1.5 miles. Going to Doris Day Library. Doris Day Library. Whoa. Whoa. Doris. Oh, gotta get to the, come on. Turn that GPS on. Okay, I take a left. 1.5 miles. Eating up them miles. I'm kind of convinced that I can come back here and sleep overnight. I've never slept in a Walmart neighborhood market before. And this one is like, it's on the outskirts, so... What? Oh. So there's, I gotta focus on just getting on the center. Oh, he's in the outer lane. Okay, I'm taking a left, but am I supposed to? Nope. I was supposed to take a right. Oh my God. Man, what was I thinking? Upper Valley Urgent Care Center. Forget your future. DAC. Donna Anna Community College. Forget your future. Is this that school zone? Why is the school zone there?
Turn left at the traffic light.
Oh man, that school zone warning covered up the street. I'm a Gina. I'm a Gina. I'm a Gina. How do you clean off the screen without interrupting? I'm a Gina. Donna fan. They got a lot of different words in El Paso. They're playing with a lot of different words. Who spells red with 2 D's? Why does Donovan sound so close to dolphin? They don't care around here. Why is I'm a Gina? I think that's supposed to mean imagine. And instead it comes out I'm a Gina. Ooh. We're taking a left in the no cruising zone. Welcome to the no cruise zone. That seems very open-ended. Oh yeah, that's right. I went around. I should not have gone. I should have taken a left. Why did it?
3/4 of a mile. Turn left on Thorn Avenue.
The GPS is broken in this city.
In 1/2 mile. Turn left on Thorn Avenue.
Thorn. I'm a little tired. I'm crashing down from the coffee. So what I need to consume my hops. I need to really crash down. Thorn. Take your left.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Turn left it. No, I want to hear her say, left it at the traffic light. She could really reduce her need to communicate by just, instead of saying turn, say left it at the traffic light. Right it at the traffic light. But then she has to say it instead of turn. Turn left at the traffic light. Left it at the traffic light. City of El Paso Parks has their own van. You don't see many Parks vehicles drive vans. They tend not to drive vans. So they got a different priority around here. They do things different in El Paso. A van for the city park? That's a first for me. Never seen that. They're primarily cars. Now I gotta ask the question, what's the most popular vehicle that a city parks will drive? Car, van, truck, motorcycle? I'm in the lane. All I have to do is wait till the red light hits. No problem. I'm the first here. I can wait this out. You guys want to take your sweet, sweet time. Really, oh, jeez. Wow. I hate that traffic light. I hate the pattern of that traffic light.
1.5 miles. Turn left on East Red Road.
Is that because it's designed to? No, it's. How are Mexico's traffic lights? I have curiosity for that. But I mean, up north there's parts that have backwards lights too. There needs to be a standard. I'm starting to get picky. Especially being faced with these backward lights. But it's really hard to tell without studying which is the most effective system. I don't know. I haven't studied it close enough. All I'm working on is patterns of expectation. And I have certain expectations for lights. But is it the most efficient as the greater good? I don't know. A lot of it depends on the habits you get into. But you gotta think, what's the most efficient for the greater good? Not just for what you're used to. Sometimes you have to change the way you think about how things operate. Sure, you're used to a certain pattern before. That doesn't always mean it's the most efficient one. Whoa, hey, I get to stop right on the hill. Oh, I love stopping on hills. Oh, the steeper the better. Yeah. This is a man-made hill all for the road too. The ice bridge. Because things freeze around here in El Paso. It probably snowed here a couple of weeks ago. The mountains don't stick. Snow doesn't stick on the mountains. Bridge may melt in hot weather. Stoplights on this end, stoplights on the other end. I don't think they did a great job with this setup. They could have probably made it more efficient somehow. Maybe make a, I don't know. I mean, a bridge like this with stoplights on both ends is a little annoying. There's no way to do it better than this? Especially having to stop on a hill. Clamatos and ceviche to go. Is that food? I've never tried that. Clamato and ceviche. Ceviche. Lapa, seafood and drinks. Yeah, if I made more money, I'd definitely want to experiment with stuff like that. Just out of curiosity. I'd be like, oh, no problem. I can explore this option. I got the money. I like to partake in unique, different foods as long as there's no sugar added. I don't want any sugar sauces. If it's all about the sugar sauce, forget it. I don't want it. And especially paying restaurants extra money for sugar sauces. No thanks. No thanks. So I'm going down Thorn, passing Lakehurst, getting closer.
In 1/4 mile,
Nita Frey.
on East Red Road.
St. Charbel. This is kind of a drive. I think I took a long way. Google Maps said 1.5 miles, but this feels double that. I think this GPS is broken.
Turn left at the traffic light.
There's definitely no straight road to between the library and the Walmart. There's got to be more of a direct route than this. Okay. Yes, library. Right, nobody.
100 feet. Arrive at Doris Van Dorn Branch Library.
Library. It's one of the most unique libraries to look at from the maps. Doris who? Whatever. Yeah, I don't know why. Go over here and park. Oh, they got a trail. So this is a partial park, partial library. Oh, there's no shade. Oh, there's no shade. That's fine. I just would never want to be here in the summertime. There's no shade. Alright, why is this guy watering down his cardboard? Look at that, he's watering his cardboard. That's all cardboard. What's the deal with that? Some kind of cardboard recycling, but they gotta water it down. Is that to weigh it down so that it makes more money for the weigh-ins? I've never seen something like that before. So I'm at the library. This is kind of a weird situation for parking for me, because I come over to the Walmart neighborhood market, which is over attached to the building with all these other little businesses. They got a Wells Fargo or a Sfargo. I'm looking at the Walmart and I'm like, it's too full. There's spillover around McDonald's, which doesn't look too bad, but it looks even better over here with the AT&T I think I really like this spot right here. This open area right here. It's next to the Wells Fargo, in between the Wells Fargo and the AT&T. I think as long as I don't park too close to these there's nothing here. These open offices. If I park, I think it feels like if I parked in this section, it'd be a bad idea on that side of the island. But if I parked on the right side of the island, then it'd look like I have more of a purpose. I could probably get away with parking alongside this busy road, but it's not desirable, that's for sure. I definitely want to be back from it a little bit. Oh my god, this rear tire got down to 10 psi. So I had to pump it 20 psi's. And this hose is actually feeling warm from all that compression. So I didn't really think of that before, but yeah, just the hose. It cooled down pretty quick. Now it's pretty warm right here. Yeah, it's very warm here. So pumping air into the tire really increases the heat. Seems that this wheel is the source of my grinding when I pedal. It really has a grind to it, and it's really leaking a lot. There's a lot of fluid that's coming out of this. Something may have broken. It's very rare to see a McDonald's and a Walmart in the back of the store. There might be an area, that area between Tucson and El Paso might be the belly aching zone. Because my stomach is really feeling stronger here. I'm not sure. I'll see how it develops, so. You know, this back in the store, Walmart's creating some problems. I want to buy eggs, and I think I want to get egg McMuffins, but if I want to get the eggs first and then the egg McMuffin or the sausage McMuffin after, I have to walk to the back of the store to do it. It's a matter of trying to conserve the heat after I get a hot sausage McMuffin. I want to get the eggs first and let the cool eggs warm up. That's okay. That timeline is okay, but then if I got the sausage McMuffins first, they'd cool down too fast. It's just a matter of buying the food and then having to walk back through the store to get to the McDonald's. It's more of a hassle. I've never seen a Walmart attached. This Walmart's attached directly to the Home Depot. There's no space in between. I've never seen that. Slanted paved walls seem kind of popular. I've been seeing them around this area a little bit more. Maybe that attests to the type of artist in charge. So around here, what's strange is instead of having a sick feeling stomach, I've got a mild headache, a mild pressure in my head. It's like taking away the sick feeling, and it's just changing the problem to another part of my body. Ooh, Veterans Day. I don't know why Stein Mart feels like it's a grocery store. You know, I think they call themselves a mart, like a Walmart or a Kmart sort of, but it's entirely closed. Stein Mart is all closed. I hate their name. It doesn't feel like it applies properly for what they're doing. Why not Stein Fashion? Stein Brand. know how easy this is to read. Well, just walking around this Walmart area, it's a lot of businesses. No bums. No homeless, smelly, worthless bums, except for me. Do not cross here. Loose gravel? Not many people stop here at this hour. It's 8 maybe, after 8. I think this is a post office. I really don't need to cross here, but I do like this sign. Alright, so the warning is loose gravel. But, you really, oh, they want you to go on the stairs, maybe. They don't want you tracking gravel onto the road. I've crossed these types of surfaces before, and I've never come across a sign like that. Texas really hates concealed handguns. They're putting warnings up all over the place. And this design, I saw this, where did I see this? It wasn't at this Walmart, it was like 3 miles away. They're doing it here too. Maybe it's the same builder. They use the same building company to quickly put up all these shopping complexes. But they got these bicycle lock areas used as blocking, like anybody who wants to skateboard through and over these stairs. I guess this is in more than one place. This isn't just here. I've seen this other places. What an unusual setup. I think it looks bad. I think it looks tacky. I've only ever seen it in El Paso. Entirely in Spanish. Aceptamos no licencia tax ID matricula consular licencia de Mexico de WI licencia suspendida. So that tire dropped to 10 psi. I might as well have been driving with 3 tires at 10 psi. It looks fine this morning, but I'm gonna have to pump it every time I go on a drive now. So there's a whole parking lot behind the Walmart here. It just has this one truck, probably a overnight stay. Nice spacious area. Alright, so now my headache went away just a slight bit instantly as I was crossing this parking lot, and my stomach started feeling a little sick. It's like they transferred from headache to stomach sickness. What a strange body I'm living in. You know, this is a bus station, but it doesn't look like a lot of bad people come around to this one. I'm sure there's some. Bus stations are notorious for illegal activity. I don't see a security guard. I'll re-report if there's any sign. Probably do a tire rotation to get this right rear tire that deflates so easily up in the up left front area, so it's easier to access. Well, because of road construction, I'm not able to take the turn that I wanted to, and to go on another route. I went past all the good possibilities. Now I'm in a bad spot where it's like I'm dealing with borders. Here's some signs that might give some enlightenment. Doesn't seem like a popular tourist area. They got some nice new signs here for some reason. What the heck is that? Is that a grackle? Smeltertown. Oh, they got it in Mexican. Oh, and it's Mexican in there. Alright, and then got a nice big bridge for that train. Carrying ship cargo, so it came off of a ship. Some kind of a beast. Just banging away. Is there anybody over there? Okay, I figured it out. It's right next to the racetrack. Alright, at 8:30. What the? This is the racetrack road, the racetrack library. A cop is pulled in next to my car, behind my car, to check it out. 8:30 p.m. I'm like, you know, the only unknown car there, I suppose. There's only a few, and I saw it from a distance. I didn't exactly want to approach. Just let them inspect, and I'll keep my distance. And I think I saw him take off, but I suspect he might want to circle around some buildings or something. But I'm gonna just keep my distance. It's weird. I'm not far from the border, all right, the Mexican border. So maybe they look for more suspicious activity. All right, so I take these chamomile and then crush them in the mortar and pestle, and then I gotta sieve them. And I leave behind all this residue, because you can see there's all kinds of residue with this this package. It's a Mexican. So take the sieve out that residue just to leave a nice fine powder. This truck has been waiting for like 10 seconds, and he had a turn signal. This is the lights where they start out with the turn signal. Yet he didn't seem to see that. Oh, my mistake. He went straight. I was looking for a bicycle shop I could bicycle to. And there's one called Bicycle World, but you look at the description, it says it's a lawnmower store, and there's actually pictures of them selling lawnmowers and landscaping equipment. But it's called Bicycle World. It even shows up when I search for bicycles on the Google Maps. I kind of want to look at that and just confirm that that's ridiculous. You know, I'm not too happy about spilling this, leaking all the liquid contents on the bottom of the cooler. But I gotta say, the texture really improves when you drain your yogurt. You drain your yogurt overnight by accident or on purpose, and it's got a better texture. It's a nice dry, it's a much more creamy texture, whereas it's a bit too watery when you first buy it. I think what drains out of it is the rennet, which is the very sour taste of it. The most sour part of the yogurt is the liquid part.